All right, guys, Jackie DeSilla here from Western Massachusetts, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about Panaway Essential Oil. So before I begin, I just want to mention that these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. And if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. So here is the logo to Young Living's quality commitment, which is their seed to seal process, and they've been established since 1994. So before I dig into Panaway Essential Oil, I just want to talk about the specific oils. So all oils in the world fall into one of four categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. Authentic means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottle. And these are actually Young Living oils. Manipulated means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy, and some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species introduced to enhance their aroma. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance their aroma. These oils have no therapeutic action, and frequently solvents are used to extract the plant. So, synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products. So authentic is the only true pure oil out there. So synthetic oils would be kind of like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice, and diluting it 95% before you drank it. But that being the case, you would be diluting it 95% with chemicals. It just wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of just only orange juice. So that's why you want authentic oils. So before you purchase, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process from the farm to the sealed bottle. Because pesticides, pollution, previously farmed land, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical, only to use an oil laden with chemicals? It just doesn't make any sense. So for example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll see nutrition facts on the side. But there are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. That means you have to trust the source. You have to know the company you are purchasing from. So what sets Young Living aside is their seed to seal process. It's their promise of purity. And you can actually learn more about seed to seal at seedtoseal.com. So all of Young Living oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where they actually run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm, at Spanish Fork, and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil and more than 2 decades of business. You definitely can trust the integrity. Also, Seed to Seal is also based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. And Young Living oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience. And they also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So Young Living's seed to seal process is a promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak and they are then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. So seed to seal is not a slogan, it is a promise. With wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint essential oils, Panaway Essential Oil Blend has a refreshing, invigorating aroma and a cooling sensation when applied to the skin. Panaway continues to be one of Young Living's most popular products and is a must-have for every home. Apply the synergistic blend after exercise or any time for its soothing, stimulating aroma. So here are some ideas for applications. Combine Panaway with V6 vegetable oil complex and use it with massage after physical activity for a cool, stimulating sensation. You can apply it to your neck and shoulders in the morning with V6 for an uplifting, refreshing aroma. And you can apply it to the bottoms of feet for a relaxing foot massage. Also, make your own bath salt by adding 10 drops of Panaway essential oil to 1 cup of Epsom salt and add the mixture to warm bath water and relax in a spa-like atmosphere. Also, rub 1 drop of Panaway with 4 drops of V6 into the temples for an invigorating aroma during times of stress or frustration. And add an Aroma Glide roller fitment and use it on the go at the gym or during sports activities. So, Panaway Essential Oil Blend has a refreshing, stimulating aroma and offers a cooling sensation when applied to the skin. And you can also dilute 1 drop of Panaway essential oil with 4 drops of V6 or olive oil. You want to make sure you test on a small area of skin on the underside of the arm and apply to desired area as needed. So, Panaway essential oil is formulated with 4 essential oils, including helichrysum, the Young Living Dalmatia Aromatic Farm and Split Croatia is one of our primary suppliers of helichrysum essential oil. Each oil in this blend was carefully selected by Young Living founder D. Gary Young for its invigorating and refreshing properties. And Panaway Essential Oil Blend actually joined the Young Living family in 1994. So this is the end of the slideshow of Panaway Essential Oil by Young Living. It's 100% pure, therapeutic grade, and it's an oil blend. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care and God bless.